This is going to be a video tutorial on how to restore your default settings in the Thorium Web Browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Thorium Web Browser opened up now. To restore your default settings in Thorium, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now on the pane off to the left hand side, you want to go down toward the bottom, down to where it says Reset Settings. Click on Reset Settings. Then right up here on the center pane, Reset Settings. It says Restore Settings to their original defaults. You want to click on that. Then a little dialog box opens up, tells you a little bit about it. It says Reset Settings. This action will reset some Thorium settings and Thorium shortcuts, disable extensions, delete cookies and other temporary site data. Bookmarks history and save passwords won't be affected. There is a Learn More button here. At the bottom, there is a check mark, Help Make Thorium Better by reporting the current settings. I like to always uncheck that. Then you'll go off to the right and you'll click on Reset Settings. It'll take it a few seconds. Now my settings are reset. That is how to reset your default settings in the Thorium Web Browser. Thanks for watching.